Right, hello, where's he gone? There he is. He's lounging on his bed. Lounging, being a lazy bear. Right.
This is a 47th story.
47th story.
47, not 147.
147.
No, it's 47.
Okay then, well that means we've got another 103 to do then. Come on, sit up.
No. Number 3.
We've decided that we're going to stop at 150.
Yeah, because we really are running out.
We've run out of books.
But
We've been to the library and everything, but we are kind of running out of
But
books.
look at that over there.
This is just some of the many books that we've been rummaging through, plus all the ones we've borrowed, all the ones we've had from school, all the ones we've had from the library. Yeah. Right, sit up.
Just run out from jail.
Yeah, that's what I said, we borrowed some. We borrowed some off jail and we borrowed some off...
No, you didn't say jail.
No, I didn't say... Oh, God, I was just being, we borrowed some, is what I said. Blimey, get corrected. What are we reading tonight? Ow, oh, just hit my elbow.
Timmy time game. Timmy time.
Jimmy's Jigsaw. Jimmy's Jigsaw. Come on then.
Jimmy's Jigsaw.
Come on then.
Timmy's Jigsaw.
Hurry up, Egbert. Read Jimmy's Jigsaw.
I got Egbert. When you see these symbols, just only read alone.
Oh, come on then.
It was a sunny morning at the nursery. The class had gathered around Osborne. Osborne was holding 3 big boxes. What could be inside? Timmy and his friends jumped up and down and spun around and around. They were all very excited. We couldn't wait to peep inside the boxes. What could be inside? Timmy?
Just wait a second. Move your legs. I can't see the pages because it's all
Timmy
leaning up.
spied a box with a tractor on the lid. He picked it up and bounced up and down so much the lid flew open. Baba, Timmy bleated. Tim bleated. Lots of wooden pieces crashed on the table. Timmy started.
No, Timmy.
Starred.
No. What you do is you look really hard at something.
Stared.
Oh, that's it.
At the strange shapes. He wondered what they were for.
Huh?
Yeah. Timmy closed a box with a tractor on the lid.
Come on.
What's he doing that for?
Thinking. He's using his brain. Come on.
But why is he doing that? Osborne enjoyed some of the pieces.
Where have you gone? Can you sit in one place? Nip off to get a drink in the middle of the story. Right. Osborne joined some of the pieces together. They made a picture of some wheels.
But Timmy bleated.
Happily. Can you finish the sentence before you have a drink?
Now he understood. It was a jigsaw puzzle. He had to join the pieces together to make a picture. There's only about 4 pieces in the jigsaw.
I think there's a couple more than that. But anyway.
No.
Soon enough.
Timmy had almost finished the puzzle, but wait, there was one more piece missing. It was a jigsaw puzzle. Oh no, one piece was missing.
Leave the drink. Timmy.
Went outside to look for the missing jigsaw piece. Paxton was busy playing with a toy train. Maybe it is in there, Timmy thought.
He grabbed
the train and shook it hard. Something rattled inside. But when a little piece of wood fell out, Timmy bleated sadly. It wasn't a missing jigsaw piece. Timmy found a little piece of wood. It wasn't a missing jigsaw piece. Over on the picnic, Rug Mittens. What does that mean?
What's the cat's name?
Rug.
On the picnic rug. Mittens, Stripey and Otis were enjoying an afternoon tea party.
Timmy marched over to his friends. Maybe they could help Timmy find his jigsaw piece. Then Timmy spied a blue tea set on the rug. But Timmy bleated, the jigsaw piece might be hiding in there. In where?
In the blue box.
Oh.
Can't see it on the rug though. Anyway.
Timmy picked up the box. Something bumped up and down inside. Bump, bump, bump. It must be the missing piece, Timmy thought. But when he tipped the box upside down, only a toy key and a plastic flower. I've watched this one before.
Fell out.
Timmy felt very disappointed. Timmy found the key and the flower, but not the missing puzzle piece. I really have watched this one before.
Okay. We've read it before as well, so come on. Just then. No, come on.
Just then the cuckoo clock went off. Cuckoo, it was time for the class to go for an afternoon nap.
Right, soon.
Soon everybody was sleeping peacefully. Everybody except Timmy. Timmy looked at the objects he had found. A little piece of wood, a key and a flower. He'd found lots of things, but he just wanted to find his missing piece. To think he's lying on it.
No idea, right?
At nap time, Timmy still hadn't found the missing jigsaw piece.
Right, go on.
Maybe the missing jigsaw piece is on the apricot pillow. Apricot pillow. Timmy thought suddenly. He tiptoed over to Apricot and lifted up her pillow. Poor Apricot let out a surprising haiku as she rolled onto the floor. Harry looked up and let out a loud cluck. Timmy ran back to his pillow. He felt sad that he still hadn't found the missing piece, but he couldn't keep his eyes open any longer, and soon he was fast asleep. Timmy looked under Apricot's pillow.
Come on.
A little later, Harriet clapped her wings to wake up the animals. One by one, the friends stretched and let out sleepy yawns. Timmy was still fast asleep. Suddenly, Otis let out a excited twit, twit, doo! And Paxton let out a happy oink. Then they had found the flower and the key next to Timmy's pillow. Timmy didn't notice a thing. Otis and Paxton saw the key and the flower beside Timmy. Wolfie skipped over to Timmy's pillow to see what his friends had found. He jumped up into the air when he saw the little piece of wood on the floor. Woof, 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 woof. What could the animals want with Timmy's strange objects? Ruffy barked happily when he found a piece of wood. Paxton, Otis, and Ruffy ran outside with the objects. They had found Paxton used the key to wind up the little wooden train. It set off with a loud roar. Then Otis put the flour on top of the teapot. The friends were very pleased. Timmy had found the lid. The friends were very pleased. The key was for the toy train. The flour went on the teapot.
Let's go. Nearly done.
The little piece of wood was for the green boot. Ruffy pulled a string. Now a bit of a brief. And raised a beautiful blue sail.
Finley.
It let out a happy yip yap. But a yip yap. Meanwhile, poor Timmy wasn't quite so happy. He was still looking for his jigsaw piece. Timmy had found everybody else's missing pieces. Why couldn't he find his own? Ruffy used the little piece of wood as a mast for his boat.
Nearly done. Later that afternoon, when Yabba was clearing away the tea party, something fell out of the teapot. Plop! It was Timmy's missing jigsaw piece. The animals jumped up and down in excitement. They had a clever idea. Yabba placed the piece into the train carriage, then Paxton wound up the train with his key. The train whizzed over the lawn and through the nursery door. It bumped into the table with a loud crash. Bah! Timmy bleated in surprise. The jigsaw piece flew up in the air. It was heading straight for Timmy. Timmy quickly moved out of the way, and the piece landed in the hole of the jigsaw. Right, you read the last page, go on.
The jigsaw was done. How did they sew it open? Why did it break?
Go on, the jigsaw was done.
It was a lovely picture of a red and orange tractor. Timmy watched tractors all over the place. And he loved them.
Timmy was
very proud to have finished his jigsaw puzzle. And he was pleased that he had helped his friends find their missing pieces too. The jigsaw was done. It was a picture of a red and orange tractor. Like, they have tractors everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's the end.
The end. Too long, that one?
Good night, the end.
Good night.